Hey everybody, it's me. How are you? Hello. Ow. Alright, so let's just address a few things before we get started. Here is my side pony. She's going to be joining me for the video. But for right now, we're going to just get her out of the way. Next thing we're going to be addressing. I don't know about you guys, but every time I do my makeup, my nose runs. I'm not sick at all, but my nose is just running. It's very annoying that I have to keep stopping and wiping my nose, and then I have to cut it out of the video. It's like so annoying. So to prevent all of that, I do have tissue up my nose. I'm sorry if that's a distraction to you, but it's gonna be there because I cannot keep wiping my nose. Sorry. So that's that. Let's move forward. As you guys can already see, I have my eyebrows done and I have one eye done. I don't have foundation on. I do have concealer on because I want my face to be flawless today. So I did apply concealer so that I can cover up any like acne scarring that I have on my face. To create this eye look today, I did use my Morphe JAMESCHARLES palette. So I am not going to tell you the colors right now because he didn't write them on the palette, but he did give us this little thing with the colors on it. So I will go ahead and put that on the screen if I can, but I'm not going to tell you guys the colors, but I'll show you as I go, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So first things first, I do have concealer on my eyelid, and I'm just going to make sure that that is blended out. And this brush is from Juno & Co. I love these brushes. They feel really good in my hand, and they're like matte. They're rounded, but they kind of get like square, and it just fits perfectly in my hand. Like, I love these brushes. So yeah, this brush is from Juno & Co. and I'm just blending out that concealer. That's done. We're done with that. First color that I'm going to be using is this color here, this purple color. And I'm going to apply this with a fluffy brush from Morphe. I don't know the name or number. Lies. This is not from Morphe. This is from Coastal Scents. And this is the BR250 brush. I'm kind of blending this color, but I'm more so focused on packing the color than I am blending it. So just a note for you guys. So now that I have that color on, I'm going to go back into the palette, and I am using this hot pink color right here. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember where I got this brush from. It's a double-sided brush. It's not the best brush. I don't know why I picked it up, but I did. Whatever. You can use any small fluffy brush though. That'll work. So now what I'm gonna do is pack this color on top of where I put that purple color. But again, I'm focusing more on placing the color than I am blending it. So just put it and then we'll move forward, all right? So now that I applied that pink, I did go ahead and lose some of that purple, the first color that we put down. So I'm going to go back in with that purple color and just add that back. I am going to go ahead with a sort of kind of clean brush, but not really clean because I already did this eye, but I wiped it off a little bit. And I'm going to go in with this white color. So this color here. And you can use any kind of small blending brush, but this one I got from AC & More or Michael's or one of those crafty stores. Now I'm just going to go right on top of where I put that pink and just blend that color out a bit. And of course, each time before I dip my brush into the white, I do wipe it off a bit because I don't want to, like, you know, make it all messy. So I wipe my brush a bit, go back into the white, tap some off and then come back to blending. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna go back into that pink color. I didn't add any more to my brush. I'm just going to use what's already on the brush and just go back and add a little bit here. And then I'm gonna go back in with the same brush that I had the white and just blend some more. So now I'm gonna stop and then I'm gonna take a different brush and I'm gonna go into this dark purple color right here. I'm not sure where I got this brush from. I think it was from like Amazon, but again, you can use any fluffy crease brush that you have for this. And now I'm gonna apply this dark purple color right under where I applied that first color. So in the crease, but keep it there. Don't go crazy, just keep it there. And then also I'm gonna bring that onto the corner of my eye. And kind of drag it in just a bit. All right, so I've added that dark purple. Now what I'm gonna do is go back into the first color that we used, which is this one. I'm gonna add that color back because we kind of lost it when we added that dark purple. And now again, I'm gonna go back in with that bright pink color. And I did go ahead and add a little bit more to my brush. Tapping some of that off. And now that I've added that, I'm gonna go back into that white color and just blend a little bit more. Now I'm just going into that deep purple here, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that to my crease area. I'm gonna go ahead into this black color right here, and I'm gonna take like a small bullet brush. I don't know where this is from. Is this from Coastal Scents? Yes, it is. So for that black, I'm gonna go ahead and add that just to my outer crease area. So right here, just to darken things up just a little bit. So I'm gonna take the same brush that I used, that darkest purple, and just blend that out. Because I want my outer corner area to be a little bit softer, I'm gonna go back in with that white color and just blend around the edges. Now that we have that down, what we're gonna do is go back into the palette. And I'm going into this beautiful purple color right here. And I'm gonna pack that onto my lid. To be honest with you, this is the color that made me buy this palette. Like, I saw it and I was like, I need to have it. I was thinking about doing a cut crease, but I just didn't want to. I wanted it to kind of be more soft and not so harsh. So that's why I didn't add concealer and do the actual cut crease. Plus, I feel like I've been doing cut crease a lot lately. Now I'm going back into this white color right here, the same one we've been using. And I'm going to take a very, very small brush. And I am going to put the white right in my inner corner. It's lit. Okay, so for under eye, what I'm gonna do is line my waterline with this Bobbi Brown pencil in black or jet or something like that. Whatever black liner you have will do. And also for this look, I'm gonna tight line. So I'm gonna repeat the same colors that I did on my lid under my eyes. Almost done, but not quite. So now I'm gonna go in with this black eyeliner pen from Absolute and just draw a sort of kind of thin line. But I'm not gonna really wing it. I don't want to do a wing today. I just want to add the color Unbothered from my Shayla palette to my brow bone, and I'm going to use that same brush that I used to apply the white. Alright everybody, so I am finally back. This is the final look. I went ahead and added some earrings and I brought my pony back, and yeah, we are totally done. I love this look. I think it got a little bit smokier than I wanted it to, but that's okay. It still looks really nice, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will bring you guys in closer for the slow-mos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.